this German bell thing, it ain't a fucking flying saucer. It's a CERN type of thing, and it goes all the way back. That's what Stonehenge was. And what is it doing? Well, you know, why? Here it is. Here's a picture. Right? Here's the black sun. Here's the seal of Saturn. We got the red and the blue. Right? Right? And then we got the green down here. Red and blue and black. Okay? Seal of Saturn. Seal of Solomon. What's the story of Solomon? Solomon was a dude that was supposedly real righteous. You know, let's just get past all the bullshit. What he did is he took demons and he forced them to do his work. To build the temple. This is the temple. This thing. Okay? Because the seal of Solomon is the same as the seal of Saturn. And the seal of Saturn is the same thing as the seal of light. Here it is right here. See it down here? The henge. In search of the Nazi bell. See this? This is a circle and a square. And if you can't see it, I'll help you see it. Here we go. Let me just get the right size line here. We'll just go with this. Here you go. There you go. You see the square now? And so, he harnessed demons and forced them to do his work. So you have to ask yourself, well, what's this godly guy doing messing around with demons? Because he wasn't all that godly. Okay? You see, it always comes back to the same thing. This thing here was called the henge. It's where this thing was, and where this is, or was. See this thing called the fly trap? In the Amityville Horror, and I don't mean like the kind you pay $50 to, I mean the scary kind. Demons show themselves a lot of times as flies. You'll see that in movies. The fly trap. They're getting caught in an electromagnetic field. Okay? That's what's happening. Okay? CERN is doing the same thing. You see this? This is a big mystery, supposedly. The Seder Rotus. It's not. Because this T should really be a D. Seder. It's the Jewish Passover. It's when whatever it was came and killed all the Egyptian firstborn. And it passed over the Jews. You see this? Isn't this interesting? That this is from the Jewish Passover. Okay? And it's called a Paul Bell Seder plate. These two fucking things right here are magnets. This thing in the middle spins. Okay? It goes round and round, and it creates electromagnetic vortexes. We look here, the machine called the bell, a glowing rotational contraption that looked like a flying saucer, was used in conjunction with the above-ground structure known as the henge. Go and look at Stonehenge. This is in Poland, the other one's in England. It's the same thing. It's for harnessing the vortexes, the ley lines, the place where the energy comes out of the earth. Okay? The fly trap. There's no flying saucers, motherfuckers. This is all humans and supernatural shit. Some of it's natural, but it's mixed in with this dark, evil presence that fucking looms around here. There's none of this shit is happening the way that you think. If you put everything together, it'll start making sense to you. Okay? Why would Solomon need to force demons to build his temple? Hitler was doing the same thing with the fly trap. Why is he forcing something to do something against their will? All I can say is they better hope they don't get stuck in there with them dudes, because there's going to be problems. Okay, are you following me here? This is Seder, and this is rotus, which means like a rotor, like spinning. Okay? This is being able to use the ancient understanding of the ark. Okay? I'm going to show you another picture. This. Okay? This word archon. Fuck that. Fuck this silly bullshit. Get rid of this one right here. Get rid of this piece right here. Okay? And then you're going to take this right here. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to fill this in. See how it changes it? See how it changes that to arc on? Because it's power. See the two cubes? One's black, one's white. Okay? That's the two magnets. We can do the same thing with a different color scheme. This one's red. This one's blue. Okay? It's the same thing. It's the same fucking thing. You get it? It's arc on. It's power on. It's not arc on like some machine acting nutty or this other bullshit. It's ancient form of technology. It works with numbers. It works with vortexes. Okay? All this asshole was doing was tapping into something that the Jews have had forever and ever and ever, since they stole it. Okay? I told you, the Jews are the raiders of the lost ark. The ability to turn this fucking thing on and off.
Just a guy.
Okay? Everybody wants it.
Just a guy.
Everybody wants it. Because there's a whole myriad of things this thing can do, like punching holes in time. There are no flying saucers. What's here is here. Get over it. Fuck.